Hello YouTube, my name is Ben and I upload videos about fragrances, footwear, fashion tips, and lifestyle overall. So if you like all those kind of things, I would like to invite you to like and subscribe to this channel. I'm always bringing up different contents in those specific topics. For today's video, what I would like to share with you is the unboxing and first impressions of fragrances like Parfums de Marly Herod and Rasasi La Yuqawam. Layuqawam is an inspired fragrance on the popular Tom Ford Tuscan leather. I've been hearing so much about these fragrances, so I decided to go ahead and order a little decan. I had tested before Tom Ford Tuscan leather. It was actually my scent of the night for New Year's Eve, and I really enjoy it. So I decided to try Rasasi La Yuqawam and compare them both. So I got here the little decan, and a little surprise, she also sent me Le Labo the Nord 29. So I wasn't expecting that. Thank you very much. So here it goes. I got Parfums de Marly Herod and Rasasi La Yuqawam. I would like to give it a first impression. This is Herod. It's a really nice sweet fragrance. Kind of reminds me of a little bit of sweet smell. I had to give this a good try for a few days and maybe come out with a full review on it, and I would like to share that with you. So now I would like to give you the first impression of Layuqawam by Rasasi. Wow. Ooh. It is very close to Tuscan leather. I would like to also give this a good try for a few weeks, and I will share with you a full review maybe. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you consider subscribe to this channel. Thanks. Bye.